Good day everyone. As you know that we are discussing the chapter number 3rd mail merge. In the last video we have discussed about the mail merge. I told you that mail merge is what? By using the mail merge we can make the letter to which you can send to the different addresses, means single piece of information. If you want to send to the different addresses you can use the mail merge. Now today we are going to discuss about the components of the mail merge. There are three components of the mail merge. The first is the data source, the second is the main document, and the third is the merge document. The data source, definition wise, data source is what? According to the mail merge, the data source is your Excel spreadsheet containing the names and addresses you want to merge into the Word document from the data source. Other possible of the data sources are the Word table and Access database. As you know that when we make the mail merge, in the mail merge we first make the data source. Data source is what? Actually this is the table which contains the name, addresses and all the information to which you want to merge with your letter. So it will be in the form of table and it is called the data source. We can make this table either in MS Word or in MX Access. The second is the main document. The main document is what? Actually where we have to type the letter. As you know that first we create the table which contains the addresses and name, and the second, that is the main document where we will type the letter. Actually this is the Word document. By definition wise, this is a Word document. It can be either a letter, stationery or template that contains the mail information you want to send to the customer or vendor. The main document contains special fields, codes that you insert that referred or reference the names and addresses that are to be replaced with the information from the data source. So this is the main document where we can write the letter to which you want to send to the different addresses. This is called the main document. For this we will use the MS Word. Now the third content or third component, that is the merge document. Here actually we do what? We just prepare the final document where we paste the different fields or addresses to which I have already made in the data source and the main document. Means you can say that merge document is the final document where we place we put the addresses from the data source, name from the data source and the main document. So it is the merging, and this is the final document. This is also the Word document. It is the output created after you perform the merge process in the Word. The output can be printed immediately on or saved to a file for printing later. The output is a standard .doc formatted file. So you can see that there are three components of the mail merge. First is the data source where we keep the addresses and name. Second is the main document where we can put the content to which you want to send to the different addresses, and the third is the merge document where the merging of the data source and the main document. Thank you everyone.